What's up, gang? Bob Billingsworth here. You know what's really been grinding my gears the past few days? Like every single day, you look at some news site, there's some stupid article about this movie, Don't Worry, Darling, and there's some new drama around it. Oh, they had to fire Shia LaBeouf. Oh, Florence Pugh, or however you pronounce her name, doesn't like Olivia Wilde or Harry Styles or everyone else. And, tensions from Olivia Wilde and Harry Styles' relation, all this BS. And it's like, I'm convinced now it's all just manufactured drama by some bullshit PR firm that thinks they're being really smart by just being like, oh yeah, we're gonna like generate all these like rumors about the movie and about friction on the set, and that's gonna like hype people up about it. And it's like, dude, I'm never gonna see that piece of shit wannabe Jordan Peele, horror movie, whatever, psychological thriller. And for that matter, Jordan Peele isn't that good either, all right?